What's good, Butcher fan? It's your boy Sneakerhead on a budget. One of the hardest working sneakerheads on YouTube. Leave a like, share, and subscribe, and let's get into it.
One pair to wear, one pair on ice. Aftermarket speculation will surely hike up the price. Call that all in the plans. Feeling like Mike with the ball in my hands. Swear to God.
So I'm gonna make this video very, very short. eBay still. Now, every time I grab a Grail, I like to share it with you guys. So this one is nothing different. I grabbed a definite Grail right here. It's something I've been looking for years. And I finally got it, and I got it for a steal. So let's go ahead and open this up. If I can. Oh my God. First of all, why am I using a screwdriver? That's the question. Hey, there we go. Hey. Grocery bag. Ooh. So as you can tell, I got something from Dollar Tree and crack. I'm playing you. Ooh. There it is. There it is. Your boy slapped on some Old Love Jordan 1s. I am so excited about these. As you see, the condition is still very good. There's some creases in the front, but that's okay. We can get rid of it. There's some yellowing down here on the sole, but that's all right. That's okay. We can always clean that up. But dude, I am really excited about these. I've looked at these for forever and just been mad patient with it. Not really rushing it when I seen like things come up. I've seen some deals, but I've seen some people be so sketchy about selling these, asking for tags. No one can show the tag or nothing. But oh my God, look at these. Look at that. The guy was super nice on eBay. He definitely gave me every image I needed, and we definitely had to do the swap. So look at these guys. Such a great condition. And one of the main reasons why I had to get these was because I had the New Loves over here. So definitely had to finish off the pack. The New Love, Old Love pack. It was definitely a must for me. And I'm so excited to get both of these in the collection. Complete pack. I'm so excited about that. But also, the reason why I wanted these instead of the black toes that released recently is because these right here more resemble the Air Jordan 1 black toes from OG, way back when. I'm talking about when Jordan brand, when they first threw in that Jordan 1, it looked more like this. Now it was a little more high, it wasn't a mid like this, but that black tongue was it. Black tongue, red laces. I remember being a kid, seeing those images, and this is what that resembled, was that around Jordan's neck. Pictures of him wearing it. It was this shoe. And so even though it doesn't have like the Nike Air on it, it has the Jordan Air on it, because when they're reissuing shoes early 2000s, you know, they're throwing that Jordan brand print on it. But you know, this right here was something that I had to grab. Like, this was it. I was like, you know what, these resemble the OG way too much. And I know a lot of people feel, you know, about, you know, the mid tops. Me personally, depends on if they do it right. I have these in the mid top. I have these Chicago patents in the mid top. So I don't really care about mid tops as long as it's something that I'm like really searching for. And I'm looking at the condition of these, and damn, these are in really good condition. I can't wait to whiten the soles on these, and just, oh my gosh, I'm just so excited to finally get this pack. So I'm gonna keep this video fairly short. Just wanted to show these and show you guys, like, man, look how good of condition these are. Dude, these are really, gosh, man, I'm excited. You can tell you're a sneakerhead, like, you're super excited. Even if these are like yellowing right now, I low-key just want to put them on just to put them on. And I might just do that. I might just, first, you know, yeah, clean them up a little bit. But yeah, I'm probably gonna throw these on y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So appreciate y'all for coming through. I'm so excited to finally finish this pack. Woo! And I'm dude. Yup. Alright, y'all.
love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.